Easy grilled cheese, ready in 10 minutes. For 2 servings, you'll need 4 slices of white sandwich bread, 4 slices of cheddar cheese, and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Spread a thin, even layer of softened butter over one side of each slice of bread. Turn 2 slices over. Layer the cheddar on the unbuttered sides. Close each sandwich with the remaining bread, keeping the buttered sides facing out. Cook the sandwiches one at a time in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the bottom is golden. Flip carefully. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until both sides are crisp and the cheese has melted. Repeat with the second sandwich. Rest for 1 minute, cut each sandwich in half, and serve warm. Done. Golden grilled cheese. Crisp outside, melted inside. Makes 2 servings in about 10 minutes.